Hey, what's up? I found another one, DesktopPilot.com. So let's take a look, and you guys can see what's coming up with this Black Friday deal. Or this is a Black Friday warm-up deal. This isn't even the real Black Friday stuff yet. So let's take a quick look. Okay, so on on DesktopPilot.com, if you go here, you'll find that they have Get Prepared, Black Friday deals are coming, sign up for a newsletter. If I get out of here, if I go to just DesktopPilot.com, it's going to tell me Black Friday warm up. Enjoy 10% off all bundles. You do have to use the promo code BF warm up. Make sure to use that when checking out. And then this is valid the 22nd, which was yesterday. Sorry, I missed this. To tomorrow, which is the 24th. And it looks like they're going to have more Black Friday deals coming up. So just keep an eye out. But if you're looking for bundles, 10% off is probably a pretty good deal. I don't know if it's going to get better than that for the actual Black Friday stuff. They're probably just going to put in more they'll probably discount other stuff is what I'm saying. So like individual stuff. But if you want a good deal on some bundle as you're leading up to Black Friday, today and tomorrow, come in here and check that out. You'll go to Shop Now, come here down to Bundles, and then you can check all this out. This one looks like it might be already discounted here. The Economy Bundle with Carb Heat Throttle Box. That's really cool. You don't see a lot of Carb Heat throttle boxes out there. Make sure to just look through, see if any of this is worth your time. Put in the promo code as well, so that you're ready for that. Okay. So let me hit refresh real quick. I thought that this was it gave me a pop-up and it said sign up for the newsletter. I don't know if that's needed for actually getting this discount, but I don't think that it is. It basically gave you everything you need right there. But sign up for the newsletter if you want. None of this is mine. I am not an affiliate. I will not make a single solitary dime if you decide to purchase anything from here. I'm just bringing you the best deals. If I find more, I'll bring them up to starting later today or tomorrow. All right, see ya. Hey, if you haven't already done so, head over to EliteSimBuild.com, grab a copy of our Home Flight Simulator Resource Guide. Do that thing where you click the button, give us your email address, and we will send you a copy of our simulator guides where you can get the resource list, the avionics reviews, a panel blueprint, so that way you guys can send that off to your panel guy, get all the parts and pieces that you need. You'll know exactly what software to pick up so you can get your Cessna 172 flight simulator built today.